Hello, my name is Joshua Mugabi. I welcome you to Human Reproductive System. Bingo! Without wasting any of our time, let's go directly to our quiz. Fluid-filled sac in the ovary in which the egg develops. A. Follicle. B. Embryo. C. Breastfeeding. D. Acrosome. And the answer is A. Follicle. Suckling a child at a mother's breast. It gives the baby the best possible start in life. A. Follicle. B. Embryo. C. Breastfeeding. D. Acrosome. And the answer is C. Breastfeeding. Fertilized egg or immature animal in uterus. Up to 8 weeks in human. A. Follicle. B. Embryo. C. Breastfeeding. D. Acrosome. And the answer is B. Embryo. Found at the tip of the sperm above the nucleus. It contains enzymes that break down the gel coat surrounding the female egg, thus allowing the sperm nucleus entry into the egg. A. Follicle. B. Embryo. C. Breastfeeding. D. Acrosome. And the answer is D. Acrosome. Sperm storage organ in the male tests. A. Contraception. B. Amniotic sac. C. Female reproductive system. D. Epididymis. And the answer is D. Epididymis. The act of preventing the fertilization of an egg or implantation or pregnancy. Different methods include natural, mechanical, chemical, and surgical. A. Contraception. B. Amniotic sac. C. Female reproductive system. D. Epididymis. And the answer is A. Contraception. A fluid-filled sac or bag found in the uterus of a pregnant females, containing the developing embryo. A. Contraception. B. Amniotic sac. C. Female reproductive system. D. Epididymis. And the answer is B. Amniotic sac. An egg whose nucleus has joined with the nucleus of the male gamete. A. Ectoderm. B. Amniocentesis. C. Zygote. D. Chorionic villi. And the answer is C. Zygote. Method of testing the foetus in the uterus, or what we call a womb, for chromosomal disorders. A sample of amniotic fluid is withdrawn from the uterus using a needle, and the fluid and the fetal cells it contains are analyzed. A. Ectoderm. B. Amniocentesis. C. Zygote. D. Chorionic villi. And the answer is B. Amniocentesis. Finger-like projection of the colon of the embryo. A. Ectoderm. B. Amniocentesis. C. Zygote. D. Chorionic villi. And the answer is D. Chorionic villi. The first milk produced by a mammal after parturition, that is birth. It is a thick yellowish liquid containing proteins and antibodies, and is later replaced by breast milk. A. Colostrum. B. Birth canal. C. Gamete. D. Corpus gland. And the answer is A. Colostrum. Situated below the prostate and is involved in the manufacture of seminal fluid and provide nourishment and a medium for sperm to swim. A. Colostrum. B. Birth canal. C. Gamete. D. Corpus gland. And the answer is D. Corpus gland. Any cell which must fuse with another cell in order to produce a new individual. A haploid reproductive cell, i.e., it contains half the required genetic information for the formation of a new individual, or half the somatic number of chromosomes. In a human, it is 23. For example, sperm cell and egg. A. Colostrum. B. Birth canal. C. Gamete. D. Corpus gland. And the answer is C. Gamete. Dear friends, thank you very much for participating in human reproductive system. Please do like, share, and subscribe. My name is Joshua Mugabi. Bye-bye for now.